Good afternoon, Coryell's class. Today we found multiples and then the least common multiples of a couple of numbers. A multiple, you guys, is the exact same thing as a what? Product. Okay, remember how I get annoyed by this, right? Multiples are always going to be, if I give you a number, a multiples is always going to be what? The same or? Bigger than. Is 12 a multiple of 3? Yes. Is 12 also a multiple of 4? Yes. Is 3 a factor of 12? Yes. Is 4 a factor of 12? Yes. Oh, so they kind of work both ways together. Okay. Least common multiple, what do we use to abbreviate least common multiple? LCM. And a least common multiple would be the smallest multiple that 2 or more numbers have in common, hence the word least, yes? Yes. All right, here we go. To find the first 5 multiples of a given number, we multiply by? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I give you the number 4. I give it to you. There it is. Here's the number 4. What is the first multiple of 4, everybody? 4. Because 4 times 1 is? 4. What's the second multiple of 4? 8. Because 4 times 2 is? 8. What's the third multiple of 4? 12. Because 4 times 3 is? 12. You get the idea, right? Yes. So we find the first 5 multiples, and we are good. That's all I'm really asking you to do, yes? Yes. We call this method the what method? Snake. So the snake method, right? Yes. Because I give you a number, like the head of the snake, and the snake just keeps stretching out as you find more and more multiples, yes? Yes. So here's another example using 6. The goal here, though, sometimes is to find the smallest or the least common. Common means the same, yeah? Yes. So the least common multiple of numbers involves simply making a 4 snake, in this case, and a 6 snake, right? Yes. So when I made the 4 snake and I made the 6 snake, we looked at the number 4 and we looked down at the 6 snake. Does 6 have a 4 as a multiple? Yes. Does 6 have 4 as a multiple? No. So no, right? So I'm going to say, all right, well, 4 doesn't work. It's not a common multiple between these two numbers. Does the 6 snake have an 8? No. So what am I doing? Crossing them off. Does the 6 snake have a 12? Yes. Did I just find the smallest common multiple for 4 and 6? Yes. The other example we did was 7 and 8. And we found the first 5 multiples of 7. We found the first 5 multiples of 8, which is what I want you to do. But none of them worked. Notice we cross off the 7, the 14, the 21, the 28, 35. None of them worked, right? Yes. My suggestion is you find how many more multiples if you can't find them after the first 5? 3. Find 3 more and find 3 more, right? Yes. Ultimately, did we find the least common multiple of 7 and 8? Yes. So if you can't find it in the first 5, find 3 more, yes? Yes. We good?